Hello Facebook ads people. Today we're going to talk about a very advanced topic. So if you're a beginner, I don't think that you should even care about that at this stage. For some of you that you are working with big budgets and you are having some limitations on the ad accounts, this is a topic that I hear a lot in discussions, and I think that we need to discuss it. I have a lot of experience about this topic because I'm already running ads in some of my clients with multiple ad accounts because the budget is not enough in our original ad account. Two things before we dive deep into it. First of all, you don't have a limitation on your ad account only in the business settings area, but there is also a hidden limitation that most companies don't know about it. And this is because Facebook is having a limitation in case of you get hacked or whatever, and this is a limit that in order for you to change it, you need to talk with the support or someone in order to increase your limit. For example, I was running ads for an ad account and I wanted to go to 50k, 55k per day. So at some point the next day I have seen that it spent 50k flat. It was a flat number. So I realized that there has to be some limitation over here. We contacted the support and they made this 100k per day. Now, if you're having limitations and they're not going to increase it, which is the case with another client that I had, what you can do is that you can create multiple ad accounts and start running ads from each one of the other ad accounts, but keep in your mind that these ad accounts are also going to have limitations. We are talking about big budgets and we're talking about ad accounts that they are spending 50, 100, 200 or 500k per month. And as you can understand, it's not so easy to spend all of this amount of money from one ad account, especially if your business is new and it doesn't have a lot of data through the algorithm and within the business manager. After a lot of testing and running with multiple ad accounts, of course, a lot of people use multiple ad accounts because they say that you have less competition, okay? So they say that if my ad account is getting X amount of results, I can spend another amount of money with another ad account. Facebook thinks that this is another business and it's giving me another share of the pie, not the same share of the pie that I will get is if I have only one ad account. I don't think that this is accurate, okay? So from my personal experience, what I have seen is this. First of all, when you are working with multiple ad accounts, the ad account that you have started and you have spent all of this money, it's always going to be the best one in terms of results. The other ad accounts that you're going to have, they're going to have lesser results and it's a matter of time for them to get trained also. This is something that I have realized, and now I truly believe that the ad accounts also get trained because you can see that they have their own behaviors, and based on what you're doing over there, you are having different results. One example that I have to give you is that once I have seen one ad account that it was running ads with lifetime budget, and this is something that I have never done in any of my ad accounts because I don't like lifetime budget, but I can assure you that in this ad account, anything else that you could do except from lifetime budget, it wasn't working. So ad accounts also take the behaviors that you are using. This is why a lot of times when we go to new ad accounts, we need a period of time in order to adjust in order to help the ad account to adjust to our strategies. So what is the conclusion to that? The conclusion to me is this: if you have a very big margin and you're getting crazy good results in your big ad account and you cannot scale more, yes, it's a very good way of you spending more money with another ad account. It's also a very good plan B. If your main ad account gets banned, what are you going to do? You will need to have other ad accounts so that you can run your ads. Perfect. But if you are having 50k and your ad account can spend 50k, spend it in your ad account and don't try to segment this into different ad accounts in order to get better results, because you are not. The best bet that you have at that point is with your main account so that you can get the best possible results. So, recap. If you have very good results and you cannot spend more money because of these limits and because Facebook is not letting you to your ad account, do other ad accounts with the same pixel and start working your way there with spending more money. Number two, if you have an ad account and you want to have multiple ad accounts to spread your budget across them, I don't believe that this is a good idea. You should use your main account because this is the account that is going to get you the best results. I have tested that a million times. Number 3, you need to have several different ad accounts for you as a plan B in case you might get banned. Okay, so that's all I had for you today about this topic. I know that it's not appealing for most of you, that you are just starting now and you're not spending 50k and it will take you a lot of time to go there. But this channel is all about scaling also. So if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, check my book, check my courses, and until we meet again, don't forget that you have to be creative and you have to be consistent, and I will see you soon.